So this is how we're going to start Kai's birthday in the drive-thru. So right mga friendships, it's Sunday morning and well, not morning, it's almost lunchtime, and we are on our way to Kai's birthday venue. Today is December 19, so it's Kai's birthday. How old are you now, Kai? 8? No! You're only 7. He turned 7 today. He is DJ Kai, you know, he said. So can you show me your get up? There you go. So he's wearing a headphone. So yes. So yes, mga friendships. This is now the beginning of Kai's festive birthday celebration. We are still here in the letter M. Yeah, that's the letter M. I cannot.
3 minutes from half of it.
So again, that is the birthday boy. Fix your hair, birthday boy, because you're the boss. It's weird. It's a very weird day, and the weather as well. Halfway we were driving, and the fog was very, very thick. We could hardly see the road. But now it seems like it's sunny already. I'm going to reverse the camera so you would see what I mean. It is sunny now, but earlier it was very foggy. Like the fog was very thick. We could hardly see the road. But now it has cleared up, and we're about to enter a foggy area again. Oh my God, this is very weird. And we have arrived. So here we are. That is our hotel.
It looks way better than a mansion.
Really?
Yes. If I was my home, I'm never gonna leave home. I knew it. I had a balcony. Mommy. That com actually was.
Kai. Where is Kai? Kai.
Yeah.
Hold on to the barbecue. It's really cold, mga friendships.
No.
yours? We're getting nearer and nearer. Sit at the back. Sit in front. Oh my God. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down, mate.
Yay! There's no one sitting behind us. So, mga friendships, we're in a boat right now.
Round and round. We'll take you on a ride.
Kai, do you like it, Kai?
Five, two out of
The other side.
10.
2 out of 10.
What's that
So,
sound?
look here, mga friendships.
Think it is.
My God.
Know the answer. Shout it
We're
out.
at the,
That's right. Giggle, giggle.
we're riding a boat, mga friendships.
The Ninky Knock.
So,
Oh no,
we're
it's
in
the Ninky
Sibig's
Knock.
lands. We're
It's the
riding
Ninky Knock.
in Kinong.
This is
Tommy
illegal.
Boo.
This is
Tommy, can you see?
we're on private.
Tommy Boo.
Private. We don't drink property.
On the floor. On the floor.
We're on the word there.
Tommy. Here.
I can't believe. Don't push that now.
So, mga friendships, we're in a boat right now. Look at that.
I thought you were balloon.
It's a good thing we're not sharing the boat with other people. Look, the next one is behind us now, the next boat.
What else can you see? That's
Look, there
right.
are birds behind. Look, 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 look.
Let's listen to their song.
Look, the birds.
I know, I
Who's here?
saw that.
It's Macca Packer's cave.
It's
We like to take it away. We don't like to kill the blues. Oh, that is the blues.
It's Eagle Pickle.
I go big.
Yes, my name is Eagle Pickle. Eagle Pickle. Goodbye, Upsy Daisy.
in the night
Eagle Pickle.
garden.
It's time
Oh, come
for us
on,
to
enjoy
go.
it. Get ready. We're going to the other side. Look, we wanted to ride that, but my husband is scared of it. It's just so crazy. Come on, let's go get the jitters.
And you get to see how
Nice. Meet the veggies. Meet the veggies. They grow here in my nursery. Meet the veggies. Meet the veggies. I can see the snowdrops in a frosty dew.
That's please seated inside the barrel. So I ask you to leave. Thank you.
Are singing on the board. Now, a pirate's life can have plenty of ahars. Except when he's being caught with his trousers down. And to add to that, singing as he blows. No, nay, ne'er. We must nip this in the bud. So, if you run into the old shop and get me some nuts, fizzy pop and a lovely new hat, I'll pretend it never happened. How's about that then? Bye! Now, let me just look at your case notes and finish eating these nuts. Oh, delicious. Now, let's see. Ah, yes, it's the cannon's expert. It's sillier you went touching the fuses over at Marauder's Mayhem, which went causing a mighty explosion and all manner of disruption to the lesson and the rest of the training. So, was it you? Did you touch the fuse? Well, either way, I find you guilty as charged. Now,
Guilty as
before